Hello, hello. What are today's messages? And what do we need to hear today? Keep your head clear. It doesn't matter how bright the path is if your head is always cloudy. Action. Focus on doing only one thing at a time to keep a clear mind. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's check the box. Let go of difficulties from your past, cultural codes, and social beliefs. You are the only one who can create the life you deserve. Think of yourself as a human magnet attracting what you speak, think, and feel. Abraham Hicks. We are all human beings alive on the same planet and know how to love all. It's time to remember this. Don't call me when I'm up. I had the same number when I was down. Truth in me, I have no desire to fit in, no plans to walk with the crowd. I have my own mind, heart, and soul. I am me, and it has taken me years to realize how important that is. Don't look for the person you want to spend your life with. Become the person you want to spend your life with. Oh, yeah. Being happy is a self-responsibility. Another human cannot fulfill that for you. The problem with treat yourself is that I don't know how to stop. I had a bad day in September, and I've been treating myself ever since. Anybody else? To become your best self, get out of your comfort zone. Stop comparing. Stop quitting. Remove distractions. Stop waiting for the perfect conditions to start. And stop multitasking. Admit when you're wrong. You don't know everything. Owning up to your mistakes quickly is the fastest way to learn and grow. And the last one today. Forget settling down. I want a love where we can act like unhinged weirdos together. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.